In this video, we will create this 5-step animated infographic. We are aware that we cannot edit images, hence we created human face shape in one of earlier videos. Kindly visit the same if you want to know how face image was made. Also, video description is visible on screen. Let's start by adding a circle shape. Adjust the size to cover the skull area. Create a duplicate circle using Ctrl+D and reduce the size. Remove outline and change color for identification. Select both the circles and align them to center and middle. Add a rounded corner rectangle and place it at the bottom of face shape as shown in video. Add a rectangle and resize so that it covers entire right side of face image. Select all the shapes except circle shapes. Go to Shape Format tab. Under Merge Shape menu, select Fragment option. Delete all the fragments as shown in video, select Left Out Shapes and select Union option under Shape Format menu. Place both the circle shapes over right side of the face. Add a rectangle shape and place it at the center of circle. Keep the width to minimal as this is only for reference. Create 3 duplicate rectangle shapes and rotate them at 45, 90 and 135 degrees. Select all 3 rectangle shapes and align them to center and middle. Add a right blocked arrow. Place it on the blue ring with tip touching the lines as shown in video. Copy the arrow and place at next 5 points. We should rotate the angle of arrows to be in sync with curve. As all the arrows are in place, delete all the 4 rectangles placed over circle. Select both circles and face image. Go to Shape Format tab. Under Merge Shape menu, select Fragments option. Delete all the unwanted fragments as shown in video. Add a rounded rectangle shape and place it on the face image. Drag the yellow dot to make it complete rounded. Select all the shapes. Go to Share Format tab. Under Merge Shape menu, select Fragments option. Start deleting the unwanted shapes. We will merge few fragments to create single shape. You can use Union option under Merge Shape menu. As the skeletal is now ready, we will start updating the colors. For this we are using Gradient Fill option. As the colors has been updated, we will start adding the text. Add a relevant heading to the slide. Final step is to add animation to the sections. Select the desired animation pattern and apply. Also, any changes can be made to animation. Here is the final output. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do share your comments.